Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the winseven.exe drive not ready error you're getting on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time. You want to type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager here. I want to left click on that one time. You might have to give it a second to open up the window here, so just be patient. And now you want to look for a floppy disk drive on the left side here. So I don't actually have one on my end, but you just want to expand it. So left click on the little arrow next to, again, a floppy disk drive. And then you'd want to right click on it, left click on properties, whatever was underneath, and then you left click on the driver tab and then just left click on disable device. Again, you'd want to do that for the floppy disk drive folder, so it should say disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? You left click on yes. If you ever wanted to go back, you just go back in and enable it instead. So pretty straightforward. And again, once you do that for the floppy disk drive, restart your computer and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.